What's up guys, welcome to the channel. It's Sunday, which means it's time for a market update. My apologies first of all, because last week I completely forgot making a market update. Can you believe it? I normally always do that. I get a streak of 30 weeks in a row or something. I did it during my exams. I did it when, it was very busy, and last week when I wasn't even that busy I forgot, so apologies for that. But we're back now, so let's start with Bitcoin, Ethereum and Gold. Bitcoin, I really like what crypto did this week, and Bitcoin is no exception on that rule. Last week we were here around Sunday, and on Monday they immediately pumped, which is good to see, made a local new high. Now, they did not make another new high. Did they sweep it? I don't think they did. No, they did not sweep it, and sweeping this wouldn't even mean that much because it's a high and not a failure or something. But they did sweep this failure, or sweep, they gained it. Sorry, not sweep, they gained it. They tested something here, showed a great reaction and made a local new high compared to this failure, but no new range high, which is still something we want to see surely in the upcoming days. Otherwise we might go back here first to retest, and yeah, if there's no reaction here we might go lower. So yeah, Bitcoin, I really like what I've been seeing. Price action has been great, retested the level here. Very good, called this setup in the server, so that was an insane runner. We're doing 3 live sessions a week this from now on. Most of the time that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but can differ. Join the Discord, you can see it yourself. Free 1 hour, 1 hour 30 live session where I show what I trade, my trades, market updates. You can ask me questions, so very useful, make sure to join. So yeah, Bitcoin price action was very good this week, I really like that. And yeah, we could maybe push for higher because yes, this low was terrible that we made a new low, but since then we started gaining, we gained certain levels, and now this zone is next up, and that's an important zone because if we gain this we can pretty confidently say that we're also going, at least going, don't say gain, to the 67,000, because why not? This zone is not like it's going to push us back down, so that's very good on Bitcoin. Current trading opportunities, I guess you can look for shorts, but I would be careful because my main prediction would be that we are heading higher next week, but every retest can be long. But in these situations it's a bit sketchy to fully go off your bias because yes, we're locally in an uptrend, but on the main picture we're still in a downtrend, and you don't know if this is the top or we can easily gain back, but it's difficult to get that. So surely your bias should tell you, should you either short or long, or look more for longs or shorts, but it shouldn't right now be that bias is this, I need to trade that, because the bias is not that clear at the moment. Ethereum, same thing, and Ethereum did not make a new high as well, but that doesn't matter because they gained this, which is very important. They almost wicked it, showed a reaction. We were scared that Ethereum was going to dump here, but they held on, gained this, now retested, and then it's the perfect opportunity on a Monday to just gain this, hold and make a new high, or move to that $1,850. That would be perfect. So Ethereum is also looking well. Retested something here, wasn't as picture perfect as on Bitcoin, but that doesn't matter. Showing local price action, gain, hold, new highs, so that's very good on Ethereum. Right now we would also look for longs, but you don't know, price can surely on Monday do this and then do this again, so it's a bit unclear, though my feeling says we're going higher, but you can't of course trade based on that, and of course I'm not giving financial advice. But yeah, level here, I wanted to leave this here because you can clearly see that we gained the level. This is the main level, and then of course you can say let's look for a long here, but of course these aren't the biggest probability zones, though I like this level because you're in a range here, and where do you gain the range here, and here's your hold. So I do like this level, but it's not like this is a must long level because who knows, we just crashed through it. So Ethereum, I don't have much to say on crypto, to be fair. It's looking good. They had a great week. It's not like they pumped, but they show great price action, respected the level, so that's very, very good. And also Ethereum, I would say I expect higher, but the Monday opening will be very important, just like last Monday was very important for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Gold, let me remove this, that was for a TikTok. Yeah, gold also very nice price action, sweep this perfectly and then started gaining, very important this level. Did we gain it? You can argue, but I guess we gained it because we closed with a candle above it on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour it's a sweep, I know. So can you really say we gained it? Okay, no, it was not like this, but it shows strength. It's not just 1 wick, because you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks, so you know that it's just not a wick and we go down again. So now it's very important on Monday that we maybe open here already or here, doesn't matter, and that we start doing this, and I really expect gold to do that because we picked everything up here. You saw there's a strong reaction, Very nice reversal, gain, hold, new highs, retest. So this is perfectly now to make new highs on gold. So gold, maybe even in the same situation, even cleaner as Bitcoin, because with the sweep, that was picture perfect. The sweep, of course, gain, hold, and then the retest. You're not going to get it any cleaner like this. And then you could have easily played this move to this drop-off level. Would have been a picture perfect trade. Bags done, maybe done for the week, even if you left a runner. So that's very, very nice. So also on gold, I don't really have much to tell. Maybe I don't tell that much because I told already a lot in the live sessions, and I post regular market updates in the server. So joining the server is a must. It's all completely free, by the way. But yeah, for now that was it. I know it was a short market update video, but it was a good week. There's not that much to talk about. I do expect new highs on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gold, and I guess then the whole market in general next week. But of course, that's no guarantee. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.